Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook delicious black beans. If you've never eaten black beans before, I'm going to advise you to include it to your daily diet because this black beans is highly nutritious. It's going to help you lower your blood pressure, help you with your weight loss, help you with your heart disease. Eating black beans is going to help you with your diabetes. So if you're suffering from diabetes, you just have to eat this. And if you're not, you want to prevent it. It's also going to help your bone, as in you're going to have stronger bone. Who wants a weaker bone every time you're complaining of being tired? So you want to include this in your diet. Eating black beans is going to help you with your digestion. Some of us don't use the number 2 for 2 to 3 days. That is because your food is not digesting. Lastly, black beans is going to help you lower heart disease. Nobody wants heart disease. The next thing I'm going to do is to wash the black beans, and I'm going to wash it until it's clean. It's good to be on medication, but while you're on your medication, taking your medication, there are some food you should include in your daily diet to increase your chance of not taking that medication in longer years to come, and this is one of them. So if you're new here, you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share the video with your friends and family. Do not forget to leave your comment and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. After washing the beans until it's clean at least 4 times, I did that off camera to save time. The next step is to transfer to a pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, do not worry. All you need to do is to soak your black beans in a warm water for at least 12 hours to reduce the cooking time. Next, add enough water to cook the beans. Make sure that the water you add is at least 2 to 3 inches higher than where the beans stop, because this beans is going to soak up all the water because it's very dry. So next I add seasoning cube half, which is optional, but I just like to add it in now so that when the beans is cooking, it's going to take all that seasoning. After that, I cover the pot with the lid, then transfer to a high heat for at least 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes, and at this point I'm going to turn off my heat. But one thing you should not do is to try to open this pot. Please do not do that. Allow the pot to cool down for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can now go ahead and open your pressure cooker. And by this time, your beans should be soft enough. So the next thing we're going to do is to start making the sauce. To make the sauce, I have my pot in a medium heat. To that, I'm adding vegetable oil, enough to cover the surface of the pot. Then add my chopped onion. After that, I add 2 tins of chopped tomato. After that, I mix together until it's well combined. Then allow the tomato to fry for at least 10 minutes. After frying the sauce for 10 minutes, I add seasoning cube, add some salt, then add Scotch bonnet, which is optional. It's just going to add some heat. After that, I add some chopped bell peppers. After that, I also allow it to fry for further 10 minutes because you have to fry your sauce really well. That is how you build the flavor. At this point, I add chicken breast that I cut into medium size, which is optional, but the chicken breast is going to take your black beans to another level. Add it in and allow it to fry in that rich sauce for another 5 minutes. You don't want to add this at the beginning of your frying. You want to fry your sauce for at least 20 minutes before you add in your chicken breast, and also you can also use beef for this recipe. After frying your tomato sauce for 25 minutes, you should get something like this. Your oil should be on top. That is a sign that you fry your tomato sauce really well. So the next thing to do is to add in your black beans. As soon as you add your black beans, add some salt. Next, I add crayfish. Crayfish is optional, so you don't have to add it. Add enough water to cook the beans again, because we're still going to cook the beans in the tomato sauce. Add the water, mix together until it's well combined. After that, cover the pot with the lid and allow the black beans to cook in that rich tomato sauce for at least 20 minutes. After 25 minutes, the black beans is ready. Our black beans is ready. I wish I can see you in real life and give it to you to taste. This is so delicious, yummy, healthy. Guys, go and get your ingredients and try this. You can get black beans to buy in any local food shop around you, most especially African food shop or Asian, any of them. It's very easy to get black beans, and try this recipe. You can pair this with your rice, pair it with plantain, have it with your bread. It is so yummy and healthy that I want you to go out there and try it. And if you're new here, if not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to leave your comment and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Guys, I love you. I love you so much, and I will see you in another one. Please do not forget to check the description box for all the lists of the ingredients. Love you guys, and I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.